Good morning, gentlemen. Another day. Time to make another freaking dollar, boy. Your boy is kind of hyped today to trade. Good morning, Stuart. Good morning, Sean. Good morning, Legacy. Good morning to everybody around the world. We're back once again. We're going to be dialed today. We're going to execute our plans, execute our strategies, everything like that, so we can get the results we truly want. So, name of the game for today, patience. Don't rush the process. Wait for that A+ setup to present itself so you can execute. With that being said, boys, 9:25, I'm giving you where all the stats are for the market. And we're going to be seeing what this market wants to do today. We did have CPI this morning. So as you see that 10:30 candle on your charts, that's what that was. Or not 10, 8:30. I'm already ready for 10:30. 8:30 candle. That was the CPI candle right there. And we're pushing off, heading on up. So we're going to see. We're going to see what we get today. I'm freaking dialed. Ready. Hey, get it, bro. Punta Cana is really nice, bro. For me personally, Anthony, for everyone that's me and Anthony, we like traveling. For me personally, I like Mexico a little bit more than the Dominican Republic. Personally, but that's just more my vibe and where we go. That's why, since we said the Xcaret, but I'm ready today. I'm freaking ready today to make a couple dollars. And if you ready to make a couple dollars, go ahead and double tap that screen so the YouTube algorithm knows you're ready to make some money there as well. And they'll get more people in here the more you like to stream. What's up, Steve? The green machine's on the market maker's call now. Uh-oh. Another day, brother. How's your day going so far?
All right. The ES is crawling up, as you can see if you look, and so I took a couple. Just got in on that.
Hey, let's go, bro.
What's your story?
No real story. I'm waiting for some good momentum, everything like that today to trade and execute so we can make a couple dollars. That's my story for today. Keeping it simple, ready to go work out after this so we can get some more results. Because I'm trying to drop. The boy has to drop like 13 pounds right now, boys, for Mexico. Because when I'm in Mexico, I'm eating everything. It is what it is. So I lose weight so I can gain it back. Then I lose it again so I have another opportunity to go somewhere else. Sean, I did leg day yesterday. So yesterday was my first leg day back from Europe. Legs are kind of sore, but today's not the day that gets me sore. Tomorrow is the day my legs are going to be hurting. I'm like, my legs are like a 1 day delayed type thing on sore after leg day. And what's annoying is I do leg day again tomorrow. So the day I'm really sore, we got to push through and try getting some more results.
You'll get it.
No, I know. Let me get my lines on the chart, everything like that, because we got to have our doodles today. 9:45. Put that line right there. We're going to make it a yellow line. Who saw yesterday exactly what I said happened in the markets? I said, gentlemen, I'm going to sign off here, but as soon as I do, the market is going to move. I signed off the stream yesterday morning. BP hits my line like, bro, it happened. I'm like, what are you talking about? It happened. I go to the markets. The market freaking moved as soon as I closed off the charts. It was dirty. They know if they do those moves when I'm trading, we're taking all their money. So they try holding and wait until I leave. So today, I'm not even streaming on my actual channel. I'm streaming on a different Duane Broom's channel today. So that way they don't think it's the same person. So that way I'm able to capitalize on the market today on certain moves when they present themselves. We're 9:25 there. So let's check where all the stats are at. So we got on the 2-minute chart, Nasdaq futures here on TradingView. 934, 29,934 is where the 21 EMA is. 29,934 is where the 21 EMA. Our VWAP 792.25, 792.25, and in between the 21 EMA and that VWAP, we have a pivot point. So acted as like a line in the sand, so to speak. 830.50, 830.50 for that pivot point. We do have a pivot below the VWAP as well. 682.25. Then the close from yesterday. Looking at this right now, 29,646.75. 29,646.75 there. We got the overnight low down there as well. Trying to see. This is all pre-market, so I'm gonna keep moving my high up. Yeah, we should be suited and booted here, boys. We do have a pivot above us right now at 30,035.75. Just realizing we're all the way up here at that 30,000 level, that big whole number. So that's kind of interesting to me, right? Because if we break through that 30,000 with some momentum, this thing may try pushing strong. But we break through and we reject up there, this thing may come back down past the news candle for today, for that 8:30 news candle. But we're just gonna have to see what this market's trying to do. We're not rushing, we're taking our time. If you missed last night's hangout, you guys missed out on a great traders hangout last night. We were vibing, we were talking, and everybody was leveling up. So if you missed it, sorry you missed the level up, but you can watch the playback. What's up, BP? Good morning, sir. Good freaking morning. And quick reminder for today, gentlemen, we are not rushing. Take your time so you're able to get the results. Because with trading, we get paid to be patient. Wait for that setup and then you execute. Don't jump in right away. Wait for the A++ setup to execute, boys. I don't want to hear y'all saying you got blown up, everything like that, because someone didn't wait. Just saying. Yeah, I'm talking to myself right now too, boys. I'm not just talking to you guys. I'm talking to myself, reminding myself to wait. Good morning, Niner. Because I know patience pays. We're going to be rotating through about 8 accounts today. Just base hitting, not copy trading, base hitting today. And we're going to keep this ball rolling. That's it. Good morning. For everyone that's new on the stream, we're trading the Nasdaq futures this morning. That's what we trade here. What's up, G? Good morning, sir.
So the chat feels that
we going to print this morning. Legacy, make sure you loaded up your printer with extra paper, extra ink. It's almost showtime. Less than a minute now for showtime. When the bell rings, I'm mentally ready. I've been waiting for this since yesterday.
I think it's going to 30,000 a day.
That's what I was just seeing. We're so close to it. I would expect us to pop up there and tag it, and then if we are going to reject, then we'll start looking for some shorts. But we could possibly try taking out that 30,000 for sure. Heal. We have 10:30 news. That's our next news for the day.
Get ready. Gosh, we've already kind of feel that kind of thing.
There's market open. There's market open, boys.
Then there's 30G.
Oh wait, this is the vertical. Amon, we got both streams going, bro. So on the YouTube, we have the vertical stream and the horizontal. Take which one you like and slide over to whichever one. Make sure you still hit that like button on either.
Gonna slide.
We go where everybody's at. I know people like watching vertical, so we don't stream on vertical. And I know some people like watching horizontal, so we watch horizontal as well. Stream that way. Try to make sure you guys have everything you need to win in these freaking markets. Today, I'm not going to front. Today is one of those days where I am not like trigger happy to just take a trade yet. I stand corrected as we waterfall. No, I'm playing. If we get through that 21 EMA, which is approaching right now, there we go. Just tag that 21 EMA. I need the full IMAX. All right, we're starting to get a little buying wick here. If we stay below the 21 EMA, I will be looking for a short. I will look for a short, but we have to stay below that 21 EMA. If we get above the 21 EMA, I am not looking for a short. We're getting these buying wicks, so be careful, folks. All right, we just cleared out that buying wick. I would love to see some type of a flag, something here.
I closed at 300 and then it did the blue line. So
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, it put me out at -90. Yeah, that was dirty, man. From 300 to negative 90, that spread.
Mm-mm. Not liking this dance. I may kill this here in a second here. Yeah, no, I'm not feeling that whatsoever.
Yeah, it's behaving strangely, man. Like when I'm closing out, it's acting weird.
Yeah, I just took 300 on that. Like, I'm not liking the wrinkles, how they're bouncing right now. What's up, Noah? Good morning. But let's see.
It's not the wrinkle bounce, man. It was like it did the blue line twice, like when I'm trying to close. So it's like, it's not when it's trying to open where you can just let it go.
Yeah.
Obviously a bearish reaction.
I feel like we're going to come down and tag that 830.50. Well, 830, yeah, 830.50. That's the pivot point. But right now, I'm hands off. I'm waiting because I'm not liking the price action right this second.
He's waiting. He's anticipating.
Well, I'm not anticipating. I want to see this action clean up a little bit.
CPI bottom weight.
Because we didn't get the full like push that I was looking for. So that's another reason why I'm not trying to jump in again right now, because we may possibly pop back up to the 21 EMA, build up a little bear flag here possibly. But I'm not going to be part of the structure today. I'll tell you that.
Duane's not going to be built into the building today. He just wants to get the money.
Have a good one, BP.
Later, BP.
Let's go take care of some stuff. All right, so we did tag that 21 EMA there. Bull stepped in with those buying wicks. What's up, Moose? Good morning, brother. If you're talking, you're extremely low, just so you know.
All right. How you doing? My bad.
There we go. I'm doing good. How about yourself, sir?
Okay. I was doing something. I was like, my multitasking skills are not up to par.
My girl would probably say the same thing about me. She'll ask me a question, I'll be trying to answer while doing something else. She's like, "What did you just say?" I'm like, my bad. We could be trying to build a bear flag right now, but I'm hands off. I'll probably be waiting until 9:46 at this point. Want this price action to clean up a little bit for myself. Hoping we don't just consolidate and chop today. Let's see if we get a bear flag here on the 2 minute. Wait for that flag to break. Today, my goal is not to be part of the structure of the flags, which sometimes I am. All right, let's see if we break that yellow line with follow through. Come on, Betsy. Come on now. What are you trying to do? It's still showing a little bit of buying pressure on that wick. So want to see us clear that buying pressure out. Yeah, right at that 900. Want to see us clear all that out to take us back. We may retrace all the way back down to the low of the CPI candle.
Hey, Duane, how long
Yes, sir.
does take profits give you to finish an account in case?
You have, it's not time. You have to trade it for a minimum of 5 days to pass. But say it takes you 10 days, that's still okay.
Or no, because I just bought another just to have it, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to trade it for 30 days. I'm good, or I have to trade it?
No, you're good.
Okay. Because the other one, what is it called? I don't even know what I used to use. Take profit. They used to give you only 30 days. Remember?
Take profit. That was Apex you're talking about. That was Apex. That wasn't take profit.
Oh, yeah, one of them. I know that. I don't want them to give you like 30 days.
No, that was not
days.
take profit because they don't cut you off.
Your renewal comes in 30 days or something like that.
Yeah,
that's what
yeah. With take profit, it is a subscription.
Yeah. Okay.
But like with Apex on their newer accounts, they cut you completely. Like you lose the account.
Oh wow. Okay.
That sucks. Like if you're right on the edge, it's like you just better go throw that Hail Mary pass.
Yep.
Yeah.
For real. So still waiting for this range to be completed here. 946 or 15-minute range will be completed. I've taken a couple little hits, you know what I'm saying? Put a couple dollars in so far for the day. But we're not getting the speed that I'm looking for. So I'll probably actually hold till 946 at this point. I probably said it like 3 times on the stream already. But this time I'm serious, boys. I'm serious, all right?
Every time I look, you're in a trade. Not that I'm like monitoring, but I'll look down at the thing. I'll be like, "Oh, he's back."
Oh, he's back. For everyone on the YouTube stream, good morning. Or as Sean wants me to say, good money day. You know what I'm saying? Good money day, folks. We're trading the Nasdaq futures. We do this Monday through Friday live with you guys, 9:20 a.m. We always go live. So we print together so we can make sure everyone's winning. So make sure you're following your rules, your strategies, everything like that, and executing your plan. Because when you follow your plan to the T, you'll get the results. When you do something opposite of your plan, the results aren't guaranteed. I'll tell you that. But just be patient. We're waiting. Currently up about $1,000 for the day so far, and we're just keeping this ball rolling. Only 9:42. 4 more minutes and the 15-minute range will be completed. And as soon as that gets complete, I'll give you the high and the low of it, so that way you can mark your charts and be dialed, because we're here trying to print. Wait for the momentum, folks. Please wait for the momentum, because if you don't, you may not like the result.
Absolutely.
Right now, I transitioned to pretty much a low carb to no carb diet for the next 3 weeks. Trying to cut a little bit more aggressively. Today may be interesting. That's all I'm gonna say. Today may be interesting for me.
But depending on your training, you know, it's like give yourself the fuel you need without going crazy.
No.
Otherwise it'll turn back on itself if you're not fueling your workouts.
Yeah, so the only carb.
Listen, Daddy T. Steve is talking.
Guy of turkey, listen here, boy. All right, listen here. I'm eating carbs for my pre-workout meal. My pre-workout meal, I have a little bit of carbs to give me that fuel needed. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
But-
all of a sudden he's a pro. Okay.
But after that, Stever, yes, I didn't say Steve, I said Stever. All right. After that, no carbs for the rest of the day.
So I'm working out too after on Monday. My son came by. We got the bar loaded up on the rack, did the squats, and then went immediately into lunges, squats, reverse lunges. It was like supersetting the hell out of it. He didn't know what was coming or going.
Yeah.
And the best part is I would lead first, so then he'd like watching and be like, he'd be, "Oh, are we done?" And I'd be like, I'd jump to another station. He's like, "Oh my god." He was happy.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
David, yes, I could give you a gist of my trading style. It's very, very simple. I trade bull flags, bear flags with momentum. Bull flags, bear flags with momentum. I use that top chart that you're seeing. I use that to identify the momentum in the markets. I use the bottom charts to spot the flags. I pair that together and we execute. I'm not looking for like a risk to reward. I'm honestly looking for base hits, so that could be a couple $100, a couple thousand, just depending on price action, everything like that. I am trading 2 contracts. My normal trades are between 5 to like 20 seconds ish, just depending on the day on how the markets are moving.
Or 7 minutes sometimes.
Or 7 minutes, but we take our time. We're looking for flags. We spot the flags. We wait for the line breaks, and we execute. And that's it. 946. So the range is fully completed. The range is fully completed, gentlemen. The low of the range, 853.25, 853.25 there. The high of the range, 30,175, 30,175. So we hit that 30,000 number and we rejected.
Oh yeah, that was a kind of like a swift one too.
Store, I'll have to look into that, bro. Because I'm thinking about going back to just straight carnivore for the next 3 weeks. So just protein, no sides, anything like that, just so that way I want to cut fast.
So it's like you're eating like you're eating a steak, and then for the side you have like,
More steak.
More steak.
More steak. That's the side. Steak with more steak. David, I was carnivore for close to like almost 2 years. I was carnivore for close to 2 years.
Show them your teeth.
So I really enjoyed the carnivore diet because I didn't have to think about it, right? As long as I'm eating something from an animal, I'm good. So thinking about switching back to it for the next 3 weeks. And right now I'm waiting. The market's not really doing anything right now, so you just gotta hold and wait.
I gotta say, you did have, for the people that don't know you, you had a lot of discipline. So, like before, when you were going to the other gym, and the guy said, the trainer there said you need to eat bananas. You had like a cow eat it, and then they killed the cow, and you ate the steak. So that's how you got your bananas.
Pretty much.
Are we gonna have a retracement here, Moose?
We're right below the middle of the 15-minute range right now. So we are below the middle of the 15-minute range just slightly. Middle is 927.50. 927.50 is the middle of the 15-minute range. Don't diddle there.
NQ is heading north. ES is kind of stalling out, so NQ is doing its own thing.
I'm not quite sure, man, right now what it might be. Because my 15 is really, my prior 15K.
Whoa.
But this one just shook it up again. So
All right. NQ's definitely pushing here.
Yeah, it's pushing like none of the others right now.
Yeah, the carnivore diet is really good. It gets your sugar levels regulated again and everything like that. And I like when I was on the carnivore, it was easy for me to,
here, guys.
Whoa,
Man,
that was
It was
1100 right there.
it makes it easy for me to
Nice.
also go into my intermittent fasting as well. So we'll see what we're gonna do, but definitely want to get at least back to 300 even before Mexico. And if I gotta fast the entire month, I'll do what I gotta do. Because we gotta get at least back down 300. Yeah, right now I'm not touching this. Wait for a bull flag. Wait for a bull flag to execute off of if we're going to try taking along here back to that 30,000.
G got 1100, baby.
Hey, let's go, G.
Yes, sir. I was in the negative on my account. So I saw it. I jumped in the calls like, all right. Once I saw it jumped, I was like, oh. It jumped up to went to like 12, but I tried to hurry up and close it. But
Yeah. What's up, Yaz? Good morning.
ooh,
Anthony, I used to love doing the OMAD, 1 meal a day. I switched on the carnivore to OMAD carnivore. So I would only eat 1 meal for the day, and it would be carnivore. That's it. David, the move this morning was from the CPI. Yes, we've taken 3 trades so far, green on all 3 trades. We're up over $1,000 and we just rotating.
5-minute candle.
5-minute candle.
Previous candle was actually right at 100.
There's something bleeding through, Dwayne.
Yeah, he just muted. Yes, I'm just doing what we do, bro. All right, there's the middle of the 15-minute range once again.
At the 8 EMA.
I can't say this is one big bear flag because we pushed too high up for my liking, to be honest. We may flush here. We just got below that 21 EMA. But we got buying wicks all down there. So I want to clear, honestly, all those buying wicks out if I'm going to take another short. Yeah, I'm actually working on a couple of the dailies currently. Because I feel like it's better than TPT because on the 50K account, they do cap you at 8K a day payouts, but it's a 90-10 split where take profit trade is 80-20. So you can keep more of your money, and I like that. We're below the 21 EMA, below the middle of the 15-minute range. Holding, waiting. Yeah, you could definitely pass it quicker too, since you don't have to trade it for 5 days. But for me, I don't think about how fast could I pass it, eval, everything like that. I just base hit it, and once it's passed, it's passed. And then when I'm in the funded stage, I do the same exact thing for the payouts. I just base hit each and every day, and then we take the payout. Nothing changes mentally. That's why we get the results we get. Okay, nice, yes. We're right here at the 21 EMA. There's the middle of the 15-minute range there. Yeah, right now, this is not clean action. I'll tell you that. We came close. Oh, now it's just teasing me. My entry's teasing me right now, boys. It wants to push through.
Does it though? It's like looking at it. It did it before yesterday.
Come on.
Come on, Bessie.
Give it to us. Good girl. That's what we're talking about.
Come on, close, motherfucker. Close. Oh man, 11. It went down to 1100, and I got. Never mind. I got 1021.
All right, 465 on that base hit right there. Even if it goes further, we're not stressing. We're base hitting here, folks. Base hitting and rotating, bobbing and weaving. That's all we're freaking doing, and that's how we get the results we get. Bobbing and weaving.
Well, I almost weaved. Let me tell you, yo, it was 1100 and it went back up to 600 because it wouldn't close, and I'm like, close.
That was happening to Steve too. His wasn't letting him close out.
I was at 300 and it closed me at -90 on an earlier trade.
Listen, that's what I was scared of. That it was gonna close on negative, and I was gonna die.
You're not going to die. First off, Moose, you're not going to die, sir.
Yo, my blood pressure went up. I ain't not even gonna lie. I'm already red, and I feel even more red. I felt burgundy.
Listen, sometimes when we're trading, the platforms, everything, they may lag a little bit. So once you spot a lag like Moose just spotted, on your next trade, keep that in mind. That may lag. So you may want to close a little bit earlier. So that way, if it does lag, you're not potentially risking losing more of your profits. Because we all deal with it. Like different platforms like Tradeify sometimes lags on your closes, everything, or even your entries. For me, if I see the blue line of death, that's what we call it here, I get nervous because I'm like, if I don't close the blue line quick enough, sometimes it goes right against you. So we just, we want to stay active and alert of what the platforms are doing while we're trading, so we know how to trade on them. Because some days, if it's too bad, we shouldn't probably even touch it, to be honest.
110% agree.
110%. I like that.
I'm not telling you. I'm not gonna lie. When I saw that thing not closing, I said, "Oh my God, it better close."
Popping right back up. We're getting ready to tag that 21 EMA once again.
I'm done for the day. I made 1021.
I was about to say, you made $10,000. You better be done.
I wish. I made 1,021.
Hey, $1,000 a day keeps the bills away.
Yep. Yep.
Can't ask for more than that. I'm excited for the video to drop for you guys on Sunday. From the coastline of Portugal, shot a video. That video shot getting dropped on Sunday, 12 p.m. Eastern. Hopefully it helps you guys. You guys will like that. And then the following Sunday, so I'm trying to make it every Sunday. That's our weekly vlog or tutorial, everything like that. Or Mint your psychology videos every Sunday. You know what I'm saying? So try to commit to 4 long form videos a month minimum. Then I'll sprinkle a little extras in, like maybe like on a Wednesday, something like that.
Sprinkle it, baby.
What was that?
Sprinkle it.
Sprinkle. We're gonna sprinkle it. Just like how I do my salt, my steak with my tomahawks. All right, this is looking pretty. I honestly want to clear these buying wicks out because I don't want to get caught.
ES is out of the 15-minute range now.
High side or low side?
Low side. And
Okay.
it came and retested. Now there's a second candle. It's kind of working on it.
Yeah, we just got these buying wicks. I want to clear. Yeah, we got to clear these buying wicks out for me to take another short. Now I'm going to move my yellow line down. Moving my line in the sand so that way I don't get tempted or anything like that. So we just wait. That's it. There we go. That's the money line right there. We break through that money line with a lot of momentum and follow through. Best believe your boy's jumping in. It is 10:01 as well. 10:01 as well. This thing's doing what it did yesterday, just going sideways in a real tight area. We gotta wait for the move. Hopefully the move actually happens while I'm around today.
Well, we're right at the whole number now, so that's something to keep in mind.
Yeah, that 900.
900.
Okay, that lagged on putting me in. It just put me in. Okay.
The real issue is the lag going out because you can't cancel it. It's the same damn thing.
Yeah.
That's what drives me crazy.
Come on, Betsy. Flush us through. Yeah, that lagged on me on that exit right there as well. Close at 150, only got $70 on that. So Tradeify may be having some issues today. Not a big fan of that, I'll tell you that.
That kind of took the wind out of my sails. I made it back since then, but still.
Yeah. It's one thing when you're like battling the market, it's different when you're battling the platform. All right, let's see if we break out of this 15-minute range low side. All right, there we go. Just tag the VWAP as well. Pop back in. So we did pop back into the 15-minute range. 851.50 is the VWAP.
It bounced off that view up.
Yeah. And we broke out of the 15-minute range for a split second there. We popped back in, so this is the recorrelation currently. So we just gotta wait to see what we actually get here. Are we going to get a small little bear flag here? But we have a little buying wick on this current candle, so.
Going right up that whole number again.
Working his way back up. It's getting close to the middle of the 15-minute.
15
Want to see how we react once we tag that 21 EMA. I was trying to target it, but it's creeping right now. It's creeping. What's up, Sadawat? Good morning. We're getting ready to tag that 21 EMA. Have not tagged it yet. We were like less than a point off. All right, we just barely tagged it there.
This is just playing around over here. It's terrible right now.
I agree. Let's see if we're going to reject off that 21 to take us lower. What's up, brother? Appreciate it. Only up a couple thousand so far, like 1,000, 1,500, something like that.
What I'm assuming is that we're gonna go up.
We got news at 10:30.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see. Well, yeah, I mean, based on candle structure, like I said, I would say would go up. But you know, it's not what I say.
It's not up to any of us if we go up or down. The market is going to do what the market wants to do.
Yeah.
Just trying. We haven't really had a lot of movement today after CPI, so breaking above the 21 EMA.
Well, that CPI candle was pretty aggressive, man. Jeez, that was like that woke a lot of people up.
That it most likely did.
A lot of people were out even before the session began.
So that's why we have low volume today, because everyone already got stopped out.
That has the hallmarks of a good rug pull, man. It was like blew out on both sides.
Yeah, you get in a battle, so that 15-minute candle, man, looks very aggressive. Yes, that is correct. We got crude oil and
Mute. Go. Not mute. G, go ahead and mute yourself, bro.
All right.
Microphone check. We here? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we here.
Check.
1 2 1 2.
Sound alarm, that motherfucker on.
Yes. Right at that middle of the range. That's why I closed. I don't want to see us reject. I was in a long there, so let me wait for this thing to figure out what it wants to do. And of course,
It'd be nice if we could get out of the damn range. You know what I mean?
that would be nice.
It's in the middle now.
Yeah, we're right above the middle of the 15-minute range, but we keep dancing right around the middle. So
The Dow is building a bull flag outside the range. It's like ES like went back in at the bottom.
good.
We'll lock it in.
You got news at 10:30. News at 10:30 today. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in these markets on the YouTube streams. Don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to become the largest known trader globally. Not because of how much money I print, but how much money you guys print with us. So welcome. You are trading live with myself and the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society.
What?
My private trading community, which is free to join, by the way.
And I gotta remind everybody that Big G and Moose are in here today. It's like triple dynamite. I mean, it's like
Triple dynamite.
TNT, mother.
Steve's something else.
Hey, it's okay for me to like appreciate you. You kick ass, dude. He gets all quiet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah. I am TNT. That's okay.
I've been closing slightly early, closing in the green. I'm not liking the price action.
Well, that's me. I mean, I've gotten a lot of green, but it's like there's nothing of note. It's staying. It's like it's not following through where it needs to be. But
Yeah.
you know, the alternative it's better than the alternative of risking it with the dawdling.
No, 100%. I'm not complaining, right? I'm green on all the accounts I've traded. Do I wish it was more? 100%, but the conditions aren't given more right now. This is it's going sideways chopping.
Well
Like,
said. Well said.
take what the market gives you and come back the next day. That's it. What platform is that? You're looking at Ninja Trader. Looking at Ninja Trader. Yeah, I'm chilling now. We're gonna wait. Hey, let's go, Anthony. Congrats. Anthony just got approved for an Apex account. Let's go.
Nice. Nice.
Like, see, like like it's weird. Like, I want to take a short, right? I really want to take a short, but we haven't had the follow through today.
I mean, I'm sick of it's like buoyant. It's like you get in and you're sitting there for like, my trading thing today is I'll be sitting there for like 45 seconds and close. And then with the latency and stuff in the closing, I'm getting like $45 or $42.50
Yeah.
after the fucking
After
cut.
taxes.
After
So it's
taxes.
like yeah.
That was cool. That was funny. It was like after taxes.
Oh no, the government hasn't even stepped up yet. This is strictly what they've been doing. Jesus.
Yeah, it's extremely buoyant right here. Like, I'm hands off. Mouse is moved away from the buttons. And we're just waiting. We're waiting right now for something because we're going sideways. Can't trade sideways action, boys. Well, you can.
Boom.
You can actually trade sideways action, but don't expect to get great results.
Yeah.
Because sideways action means it's chopping. And you don't want to get chopped. I've gotten chopped plenty of times for all of us combined. So listen to me. Don't get chopped today, please. And it's going to, I honestly think it's going to do what it did yesterday, right? It's going to consolidate and just go sideways till like a little bit after 11 here, and then it's going to do something after I log off. Let's see.
Yeah, little volume kicked in right there.
I'm not even watching it right now, bro.
Little volume.
I personally want to see buys. I want to see buys.
I'm actually doing like my pre-workout stretching because my son's coming over, so I could really lift those weights. That's how dry it is right now. I mean, that's pretty sick on the market right now. That I'm just like, I'm not even into it.
Yeah, when it gets like this, like it's like, could you trade the chop? Yes, but why?
You're gonna die on the chop though too.
Well, no, because I mean the thing with the chop is, yeah, you can absolutely trade the chop, and there's people that say, oh, I could do it. Yes, you can, but risk to reward, man. It's like a good trade in the chop compared to like if it backs the other way, you're like, I mean, there's easier ways to get it done.
Yeah. Well, like you said, honestly, people probably got stopped out this morning trading the CPI.
A lot. I mean, looking at that, I mean, I wasn't on. I mean, I wasn't looking at that candle, but you know, afterwards when I saw it, it's like if you were high side, you got, you know, or low side, boom, everybody got a taste of that, like punch in the mouth.
Yeah. Question. Who in here traded the CPI this morning? Let me know in the chats who traded the CPI this morning, because I want to see how you did. Throw in the chat if you were green, if you're red, if you were flat. I don't trade news. Why? Because when you trade news, you're taking a gamble. I don't like gambling. Everyone's like, oh, like, isn't trading gambling? Yes,
No.
if you're trading news. Yes, if you're just closing your eyes, clicking the button. But trading is a skill. Once you develop the skill on how to trade, you can print from anywhere. So Amon traded this morning. How did you trade this morning, bro? Was it green, red, flat? How did it go for you? Let me know. Curious to see here. And for everybody else, good morning. Good morning. Hopefully you're enjoying today's stream on the horizontal and the vertical. Hit that like button for your boy. The more you like the stream, the more YouTube pushes these streams out to people like yourself. Quality people that want to win the markets each and every day. Hear their freedom. Let's see, are we going to finally get some action here? I would love to see some type of a flag form. Are we going to swipe that VWAP? That's what it's looking like we're getting ready to try doing here.
Duane would like to see a flag.
Let's see here. Our music just ended right when I entered a trade. I'm targeting the VWAP right now. Come on. Oh, I'll get ready to kill this here in a second. If the Bears don't step back in. Oh, what was that? There's the Bears stepping in.
50, this 50 on my 5 has been hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times already. They all rejected. That's crazy.
We got 8 minutes to 10:30.
Thank you, G. I want to put more music on, but I'm in this trade.
I feel you. You blink and it's gone, right? God damn it. you got to sneeze with your eyes open nowadays. Like,
Pretty much. I'm getting ready to protect capital here because the Bears are not stepping in how I wanted them to. Looking for an aggressive swipe. Trying to move this over. Get that going.
Hey guys, question. Where can I find like large size potatoes? I want to make baked potato, and I'll be buying these little ass like fucking quarter size potatoes. Like, goddamn, what happened to the big steroid looking ones?
The steroid looking ones.
Yeah, because you know how you make a baked potato and you like stuff it with mad stuff. Yo, these little ass. I gotta eat like 7 of them. Little ass potatoes. So I want to know, maybe I'm shopping at the wrong stores or something, but I need like a big size, like the size of your hand type thing.
Yeah, totally.
Here.
What's up, BP? Good morning, bro.
What's up? How are y'all doing?
Another day in paradise, bro.
We in this bit. We're just watching paint dry. Like
EQ looks terrible. Yes, looks like it's been downtrending. The Dow looks like it's been downtrending.
Yeah, this is bad.
I killed that.
I played some ES, some NQ, Did a little bit, but it's like nothing of note.
I'm debating, do I try cleaning this up or wait till tomorrow? Because this thing's
Yo, this choppy as hell right here. We've been sitting in the same range since we opened.
So for the last 3 weeks.
Yeah, I did that. You like zoom out on your 2 minute and on your 1 minute. See what it looks like. It looks terrible.
5 minute looks like a barcode.
Yeah. we're just gonna scan the TV real quick. The screen.
Bleep bleep. There goes your cash.
Yep. When you scan, it says you lost.
not that you lost. That's crazy.
Yo, even the wrinkles are moving really slow.
Yeah, that they are.
Did we all get high together? This is ridiculous.
Can we all get high together?
Yeah. This is bad. You might have a bull flag on the 1.
I think we're gonna have more chop on the 1.
Yeah, I mean, there's the flags. You know, as you look, it'll look like a flag structure, and it'll just won't do much.
Actually, we have a very small minor bullish manipulation between the candlesticks at 1013 and 1020. NQ made a lower low, ES made a higher low.
When you're in,
I've been in.
you took a buy.
I did.
He's earning his money.
This is more just like cleaning it up right now. So clean that up a little bit. We're back above the middle of the 15-minute range. But I feel like we're getting ready to come right back below it again. We haven't had any real flags today.
Well, if you really want to be a stickler, you could look at this latest run on the 1 minute, because there's one that like really ugly one at the bottom, then it repeated, and then we're possibly making another bull flag, but we could just be reading like the tea leaves in the chop.
Yeah. I see the potential bull flag on the 1.
Well, you can see like on the bottom where it had that huge wick, and then it defied it, went up, made 1 staff. But are we gonna go? Are we gonna go?
We got news in less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes for the news to drop. So I'll probably wait till the news clears, see what happens there. Because I feel like we're getting ready to drop right below the middle of the 15-minute range, right back to the chop zone.
In the chop zone.
There's through the middle of the 15-minute range.
All right, guys. 10:30's coming, and I got things to do.
Well, go do it, bro, because markets aren't really moving.
Yeah, I already made my money. I'm good.
We got less than 40 seconds for the news to drop.
Alexa, what temperature is it outside?
Feels like 108 though.
Yikes.
You know what?
Coming down to the 21 EMA. There's the through the 21 EMA.
I don't understand, yo, how my animals, my everything listening to Steve more than he listens to me.
There's 1030.
I pay the bills. I'm gonna go to the pool today. That's how productive I'm gonna be.
Hey, living the dream, bro. Living the dream. I gotta clean my pool today, actually. Oh,
It's a good day for it because the kids are back in school, so you won't have no splashing about.
yeah.
Yeah. Blues kicked in.
Potential bull flag maybe on the 2 minute as well.
It's still just so in the chop zone. It's kind of like it's like, to me, it's like negating any thought of anything unless we can really get a waterfall. Oh my God, is this?
As soon as you said waterfall, stop, Steve.
Say it again. Say it again.
No, don't say it. Don't say it.
Oh man. Yo, this is bad.
This is bad. Oh, what? Oh,
Are you in?
no, I'm not. But that came out of no. What just Trump said something. Check it. Check everything, boys. Trump may have just said something.
For real.
That looked like a Trump candle.
He tweeted.
He did?
I don't know.
Oh. What he did? Well, glad I did not click the button when I wanted to.
That's a good argument for having ATM strategy. So you're in a short, it would just tag out at the top and protect your capital.
Well, it could have ran it though. It could have ran it.
Yes, just swipe London.
ES just swipe London. The Nasdaq goes right back to where it was. Hey, Cab, good job for you, bro. Hey, he said free steaks and free fries for everyone. Hey, we'll hold you to it, bro. We'll hold you to it. Because we like some steak. Yeah, this thing went right back to the chop zone. So whatever just happened, we went right back to the chop zone. It could have been with ES swipe and London low. That's where that came from, but
No, the wicks are huge on both of them.
getting ready to tag the 21 EMA. We're above that 900 level again. Sure, we took out the London low on ES.
Oh, my Lanta. Oh, somebody, let me see. I just got notes from X. Let me see what it said.
What is it? What is it?
Oh, no, nothing. Just,
Oh.
it says,
Because his ex-wife said hello.
His ex-wife said hello. Got a little bit of a buying wick on this candle right now, but look at that wick on that 5 minute. I need that steak. I did not get filled. That's trash. Let me close that. So clean that up a little bit more. Just clean this up. What's up, I do? Pretty fast and reckless. That's not good. We got this. We're getting buying wicks here, boys. We're getting buying wicks here. Trying to be as patient as possible, but we keep getting these candles with buying wicks. And of course I don't get filled. So clean that up even more. Yeah, take your 1,300 and get prepared to buy our steaks, Cap. Get ready to buy our steaks, brother.
ABP,
What's up?
how do I stop this damn Tradeify thing? Whatever it is. I don't even know what you know it's crazy. I don't even know what I use. This Tradeify thing to stop like recentering.
Is it set to auto fit?
Yeah, how do I stop that? It's so annoying. It makes me dizzy.
Turn off the auto fit.
What do
Go
I do?
to go to the gear icon. It should say auto fit. Turn it off.
It just did it again to me. Like I cleaned up an account and then it walked it back with a blue line.
Ugh, that's so annoying. Like I cleaned this account up, $10 green. This is when I went down 1,300 in. So I'm like, do I try putting a little bit more, or do I just call it on this account? Because on this one, I think it's going to be the fees that probably have me down in this one. Yeah, I'm down $70 technically because of fees and all that. Better than 1,300. Yeah, this thing has, we're literally, like they said, barcode in here. Crazy, 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 crazy. I will say I am proud of myself because it was going like this yesterday too. And yesterday I made over 2K. Today I still did very, very well, over 1,500 bucks profit. So I'm not mad at it, but I wish the market would move a little bit better while I'm on, because BP texted me yesterday. Oh, it happened. Market dump. And I said to him, like, be prepared for the market to move as soon as I sign off. I signed off and it moved. So you're welcome if you made money yesterday.
I can't find the auto fit settings.
It's the gear icon.
But there's two of them. So there's one that says configure chart elements.
No. So on your actual chart on Tradeify, click where it shows you the time and everything like that for your chart. Slide over to the gear icon for the chart settings and turn off auto fit.
Okay, it's to the right hand, top right hand corner, right?
Nope, left. It's on your actual chart. On your actual chart on Tradeify, where it shows you like what minute your chart's on.
Okay. So chart configure elements. No, it's not it. Rankos, chart, template.
It should say like auto fit. It should say go to current bar. All of that on the, if you're on the right tab, because on your actual screen. So the little icons that pop up on the top of your chart.
Yep, I see it, but mine doesn't say that. Mine says something else. Mine says it's zoom in and then the time, Renko, chart settings.
All right, hold on.
Configure chart elements.
Let me get on Tradeify real quick. Hold on.
Continuous auto fit. Oh, okay, I got it.
Okay.
Continuous auto fit. It was under a different tab. Sorry.
You're good. You're good. It's gonna dump. What are you trading for? Right now, we ain't really trading. This is waiting. We need more tomato and cucumbers with all these chops. We need some movement. That's what we need. I'm just thankful I was able to bring this account back from being down 1,300. Like,
hey, what size is that account? Wait.
This is 150K.
Nice.
Right on the 21 EMA. All right, fully cleared. Cleaned up all the fees. I'm done trading this account. Like, I'm freaking done. 150 in this account. I'm tapping, boys. Tapping. No, thank you. The market punched me in the mouth again. I'm taking it personal. Sean, believe it or not, it punches everybody in the freaking face. Punches all of us in the face. But it's up to us to decide how we respond to getting punched, right? So, like myself, I got punched in the mouth as well on one of these accounts. Went down $1,300. What did I do? I slowed down, I base hit, and got it back. But whenever you get punched, take a step back and reset the mindset to continue. You know what I'm saying? Don't just keep trading in full port and everything like that, trying to win it right away. No. Small wins add up to large wins. Remember that. Base hits, if you guys saying, oh, I'm done. Listen, Amon, your boy's done. Like, if this thing doesn't show like some crazy wild move, the mouse isn't getting clicked. Just saying. The mouse will not get clicked if it's not doing anything like crazy with speed or anything like that. Because your boy's mentally exhausted on how slow this thing's going. Do Tradeify, bro. Anthony, do Tradeify. Because if you do Tradeify, right, you can plug into Ninja Trader. That's what we're trading on right now, that you can see on the screen. And also, the Tradeify has a built-in copy trader also. Sean, you gotta do it, whatever you gotta do, right? Like, it's okay to walk away from your computer. That is okay. We've all done it. I can't just get up and walk away because we're freaking streaming. Like, but sometimes it's better just to walk away. Just saying. Just saying. Tonight we got the traders hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We're talking trading, talking life, and everything in between fireside. And we got lucky last night. As soon as we ended last night's hangout, and I moved all the equipment and fire pit back under the covering, tell me how it took a dump last night with rain. And if I stayed on stream like 2 minutes longer, I've been getting rained on. So glad that didn't happen last night. Tonight should have clear skies. So we're fireside once again, and we're going to talk trading and level up as a community tonight. So I'm excited for that with you guys. And just for our schedules, everything like that, so you understand, Sunday we have a video dropping Sunday, 12 p.m. Eastern. 12 p.m. Eastern, got a video dropping for you guys from Portugal of me talking about trading, of course, but we're walking the amazing beach, right? And I'm talking about real things about trading to help you guys level up. So definitely stay tuned for that video for noon on Sunday. And then next freaking Tuesday, we're having a training for the builders of the Legacy Wealth Society, our private community, which is free to join. But the builders, profit takers, and market makers, those are paid tiers for the community. We're having a training this coming Tuesday where we're going through my entire strategy from A to Z to get you guys the results and to level you up so you can trade the same way I do. So if that's something you're interested in, come join us for that. It will be posted today in the community so you can RSVP for that Zoom training. I'm excited to see you guys winning. That's all I know. Have a good one, Cap. Get our steaks ready, bro. Get our steaks ready.
Just gotta move.
It's not moving. That's the issue, Moose. This thing is not freaking moving, bro.
It gets like little spurts and then stops.
I didn't trade that account, but I'm not even going to touch it.
No, we're good.
So that's what we did today. Nothing crazy today. Nothing crazy today, but at least green's green.
Yeah, absolutely. I logged out to make sure I don't press the thumb button.
This thing looks like it's starting to try to move a little bit, but I'm not. It puts us right back in the chop zone. So we're barcoding right now. Yo, this sideways action is crazy though. Crazy.
Yeah, it's literally been sideways for an hour and almost an hour and a half.
Well, the market did come down at market open, so it did come down at that point, but this is not anything good. So for everyone on the streams, right? For everyone, and even my market makers, what is one thing you're trying to work on this month to take your trading to the next level? Market makers, you can answer that as well. What's one thing you guys are working on this month to elevate your trading? Chat, you can throw it in the chat as well. I'm a firm believer we gotta be growing each and every day to achieve the results we truly want out of trading. So if you ain't growing each day, that means you're dying. Remember that. My consistency day to day. Okay. Noah, since you're the first one to respond to the question, right? For you, sir, with your consistency, that you're trying to get better, everything like that, right? Are you walking away each day? Like when you're green, are you walking away? Because if you're not, if you simply start walking away when you're green, you'll start seeing more results, better results for yourself. Stop blowing up fundeds. I do trade. Are you blowing up your fundeds after your first payout on the funded or before? Instead of winning for 2 days and then losing for 2 days. Okay. Well, the whole thing is focus, gentlemen. The goal is not to make money each day. The goal is to protect your money. And once you start thinking on protecting capital, you'll start getting better results out the market. Okay, well, Sean, if that's happening to you, right? All you need to do is pause before you enter. Had a little push down right there. Are we going to continue though? Because this is looking like this could be like one on the 5-minute, one big bear flag. I don't even know. Okay, so at least you're blowing up after you've already paid for it, bro. But same thing for you. Protect capital. Because you're blowing up because one, when you're taking that first payout, are you taking a max payout? How much of a payout are you taking? Because you're losing your drawdown.
Guys, I'm out of here though.
Have a good one, Moose. Have a good day, bro.
Hey,
Bye,
have a
guys.
good day, Moose.
See you later.
I took some shorts too to try to clean up the C-Val, but I closed out pretty early when I saw.
I just took it short too, but it popped back up on me. So I'm waiting to see if we get the push down. If not, I'm gonna just kill this. Live to fight another day.
We're pretty close to swiping these lows. I think it'll happen.
Yeah, but it's taking too long, bro. Today I'm not being like, I don't want to be in trades that long because of how the market's been moving today.
True.
Let's see if we swipe it quick here. Want to see an aggressive quick swipe to the downside here. I didn't see we did tag that VWAP. I didn't spot that.
Which time frame?
I can't. It's on my other chart here. But on the 2-minute, we did swipe it. All right, we feel like we're going to possibly, but I may just kill this here.
Hopefully it'll push. It's just chopping in the same spot where it's. We have so many wicks in this spot on the 2 minute.
We should swipe here.
There it is. And we're about to hit the bottom of the 15, like 2 points.
I got out. I'm not sitting in it. Green's freaking green, boys. This price action, I got out too because we had that VWAP. I don't want us bouncing off the VWAP to go higher because we react off VWAPs, 21 EMAs, and pivots. Done. Done. Bump this today. No, thank you. Getting ready to try breaking out the low of this 15-minute range here. We got 11 o'clock coming up, less than 5 minutes now. 11 o'clock coming up in less than 5 freaking minutes. Let's see if we break out the low of this range here. How we react. All right, we just broke out the range. There's the range break.
It also tapped the VWAP.
We're through the VWAP.
Really? On mine, we just tapped the 2 minute VWAP.
We just popped through it again. 864.75 is my VWAP on the 2 minute for NQ. Let's see. Maybe we build a little flag here, take us lower. I got no freaking clue. This thing is being special today. Is ES out of the 15-minute range? Do you know?
Yes, it is. It's below it.
Okay. I feel like it's going to do a move. I feel it. I feel it in my bones. I'm going to wait till 11:05 today to sign off, just in case it finally happens. Because yesterday, it happened around 11:05 or something like that. As soon as I got off, it dumped. So we're going to wait. We're going to wait a few extra minutes today on the stream to see. But look at all these wicks everywhere on today's. Just ugly, boys. Hopefully you guys have stayed safe in the markets today. Hopefully you printed some freaking money. Because if you didn't today, guess what? It's freaking okay. Because tomorrow's a brand new day. Clean slate for us to execute our plans once again, get the results we want. That's all I know. BP, any plans for today, bro?
Yeah, I'm actually about to go. I typically don't schedule appointments in the morning, but there's a customer who he kind of has like a little bit of an urgency because he's leaving out of town today and his mower isn't working.
Okay.
So I'm taking care of that one, and then I have another appointment, and then another appointment. So I have 3.
Hey, let's go. Making the smonnies, bro. Making the smonnies. I love it.
Not too shabby.
Hey, green's green, brother. Green's freaking green. That's all I know.
I did unfortunately get chopped up a little bit today, but then I took one win, which if I held it longer, it would have just brought my account back to break even.
Listen, honestly, bro, in today's markets, if you're able to get out and be able to come back tomorrow, you won. Because a lot of people blew up today. I know that for a fact.
Yeah, with CPI and then all kinds of BS.
Between CPI and the chop, like, I know people blew up today. Maybe get a bear flag right here, but we have not had the momentum. Let's get below the VWAP. Are we going to get a flush? And at this point, even if we do get the flush, I don't even care. Like it has to be like a aggressive freaking move for me to want to jump in at this point. Because I'm green on all the accounts I traded today. Brought this account from minus 1,300 positive 400. So can't ask for more. Here comes 11 o'clock. Here comes 11 o'clock. 1 second. There's 11 o'clock there. Yeah. This may try popping up here. We have 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. I'm jumping out of here. I'm running like I stole something because this thing is just chopping. We're below the VWAP, but we got a buying wick, so. There's the 15-minute range break. We broke it by like half a tick. We need the follow through. We want follow through if we're going to try taking a short down here. Back above the VWAP. Yeah, this thing playing. It's playing with people's emotions today. Not mine, but. Yeah, this thing looks like it's about pop. Look at that buying wick. Tonight, Traders Hangout. Remember, we'll be live 9:30 p.m. Eastern tonight. Fireside, as long as the weather permits. Looking for a sell, hometown. Do what you gotta do, brother. Unless something big happens, I'm done trading for the day.
Alrighty. Well, I am also out of here. You have a good rest of your day, Duane. If I'm available, I'll try to see if I can tune in tonight.
Yeah, you're good, brother. Have a good rest of your day. Don't work too hard, brother.
We'll see. We'll see.
All right, BP.
Take care, G, and have a good rest of your day, Legacy.
Yes, sir.
Peace out, everybody.
I'm waiting. I feel like we may get a little flush here, but we gotta have good follow through. This is gonna be it. Nope, not yet. Still deciding if it wants to go down or not. Back above the VWAP. Yeah, nope. Something aggressive is going to happen, but I probably won't be here for it. That's looking like a bear flag on the 2-minute. Right at my yellow line. Waiting. I'm waiting here to see if I could jump in. Just at another $100 and something right there. We should flow all the way down. We should come back down to this pivot point, 837.5, 837.5. But it's not moving fast enough for me, gentlemen. So I'm gonna be jumping out of here. I'm done for the day. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you're still going to be trading, stay safe. Wait for your A+ setup to execute. With that being said, Legacy, nothing but love. D, I'm out. I will catch y'all tonight on the hangout. Be blessed, everybody. Deuces.
All right, Dwayne.
Yes, sir. Have a good one, brother.